trying to do everything this pimping do. And this is also for the fellas who watching. This is how women lie to you, right? They say they come in to do one thing.
Good afternoon. Happy Friday. The Friday after Christmas, which reminds me, I hope that all of you had a great Christmas. We kind of kept it easy this year because we went to Williamsburg, Busch Gardens, and did a whole bunch of other stuff in Virginia for the week. So it was already set expectations that we wasn't going to do a whole lot for Christmas because that was our big Christmas gift to each other and to everyone. So Reagan still had a good time, but I hope you guys had a great Christmas 2024. You know, in this household, Jesus is the reason for the season. So we ain't worried about all those gifts anyway. Let me back up a second. Hey, y'all. If you're new to this channel, thank you so much for joining me. My name is Rokeya, also known as MsQueenRo. This is a lifestyle adventure channel, and we're about to do another adventure. We are going to Carolina Place Mall. I say it like that because that's not really an adventure. Rokeya, what are you talking about? It's just a mall. Well, it's an adventure to me because Charlotte has three malls inside of the city. Another mall outside of the city that's like, it's called Concord, but it really is, it's Concord, but it's like right near Charlotte. Anyway, it's the Charlotte area. And then there's the outlet. So we have a lot of shopping areas. So the mall we're about to go to, I haven't been in years. Now, one, it's far away. Well, it's not far. It's just further than I would go to a mall. And then two, you'll see when you get there. It's not really the mall that I would go to all the time. So I'm going just to kind of see what they have. But the main event is actually, I have to go to Bath and Body Works. Because if you don't know, Bath & Body Works has two giant sales twice a year. One usually in is it the summer? Maybe the summer or the spring. And then one always after Christmas. So it started yesterday. Today, I think is going to last day. We're 75% off for most of the body care stuff. But I'm not really going for body care. I'm going for the wallflowers. And I'm about to stock up. Unfortunately, I already saw on a little coupon thingy that you're only allowed to get 24. So I'll be getting 24. That is the limit. But yeah, I'm getting as many as I can. I also have gift cards. So that's always going to be wonderful to use. So I won't have to use most of my money. All right. Oh, yeah. And my friend is joining me. So we're going to kind of do this adventure together.
Let go. Yeah. Let go. Let go.
We made it on this rainy Friday. So far, so good. It is kind of empty though. So let's see what else they have. The floor is nice. No, I'm talking about I ain't talking about the trash. Okay, he gonna be pointing out every little thing, you guys. I'm just pointing out the decor.
Okay.
Let go. When y'all see me, yeah, y'all know what it's called.
I haven't been here in years. To me, the floor has changed. Is that the same floor? Oh, okay. Well, I don't know, boo. I mean, JCPenney is still holding on. That's amazing.
Yeah, they holding on everywhere. I don't know how.
All right, what were you saying about JCPenney?
So there ain't nothing for black men in there.
Not black women, just black men.
There ain't nothing for black men in there.
I think JCPenney has changed. Now, again, I don't know. But I think the brands have changed inside of it.
Ain't nothing for black men in there.
Okay, all right. We're going to leave it there. I like Belk for some things. And Belk carries some stuff, too. Not that I want to go there today. When he doesn't say anything, you guys, he just tries to keep from not picking at me. Go ahead and say somebody's shoes. Go ahead.
It's for a pimp.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Maybe this one over here. Maybe that one. You can't tell me you wouldn't wear none of these shoes?
No.
Fair enough.
No, not a single one.
I like this one. Like, seriously, though, I like this one.
Yeah, if you're dancing.
Just because you're thinking of the 1920s.
Well, those are fine. Down on the end.
Oh, I like these. Yeah, I like those.
And these are fine, too. And those fine, too. But over here in this section.
He said over here in this section. It's a no.
Trying to do everything this pimping do. Not
Well,
saying they're not open.
Right, it probably was a store.
Yeah,
And then
it was two when we came in. There's one right there. There's one right here. There's
but
one
all these
over
stores
there.
probably closed because of COVID.
That was 2 years ago, 3 years ago.
Almost 4 years ago.
Yeah. This mall is trash.
I guess you come here for what you need and then that's it. But who really shops at a mall anyway now?
Nobody. Everybody's shopping on Amazon.
Right. So that's the reason why the malls are
But
going down.
you don't see that at Carolina. I mean, not at Concord Mills. You don't see that at
So why are those malls flourishing?
well, they touristy malls. You know.
This one was like a neighborhood
This is
kind
in
of mall.
it's in a bad area.
Nobody comes to Pineville, which, by the way, you guys, it's located in Pineville, North Carolina.
The same way it was when I was a kid. Like,
So he's from this area, not this area, but he's from Charlotte area. So he would know. I wouldn't know. Like I said, I haven't been in this mall in years.
like you need specialty shops. You need, bring the rent down and bring in some lower people that got a following that's gonna bring, people to the mall.
Yeah. What about more like local entrepreneurs?
That's what I'm saying. Like,
Yeah. Well, just to give the mall some credit, though, it's still flourishing. I mean, it's still people now. Mind you, this is after Christmas, so people could be done shopping, but the mall still exists. So you got to give it that. When the mall was first built,
yeah, it was.
this is one of the first ones. Or was it Eastland?
No, it wasn't one of the first ones. It was one of the last ones.
After which ones?
Well, North Lake is probably one of the last ones now.
Yeah.
But back then, this was one of the last ones. You had Eastland, you had South Park. Those two were here first. Then this one came, then Concord Mills, then North Lake.
So why would this one? Why are people happy about this one? Because it's still like in the
Because
area.
the South Side was developing back then, and it was growing, and this area was growing. Ballantyne was growing. South Charlotte, Arrowwood, all that was growing. But now it's like, it's a whole bunch of people that live over here, but everything is dead. There's no food on this side of town. Like,
Because maybe Pineville is just its own little area, so to where people just not putting money in it.
well, I mean, it's the South Side, period.
Well, no, South Park is always growing that area.
Well, South Park ain't really South Side to us,
Okay.
South Side is more like where Olympic High School, where Waddell used to be, South Met, which is close to South Park, but it ain't quite over there. Like to hang out on like the east side and University area.
What, now or back then?
Yeah, now.
Oh, okay.
Concord.
What's on the east side, though?
Well, North Lake is considered to be east side now.
No, North Lake is west.
It's west, but that's what Eastland used to be. Well, what North Lake is now, that was the old Eastland. Eastland was on the east side.
Right, yeah. Oh, they got a no grease here, too. My goodness. They're everywhere. Now, this is one brand, I will have to say. They did well.
Yeah.
They would
That's
have
one
to-
thing I will give them, though. Like, when the traditional barbershops are closed and stuff, they be open. You can go in and get you a shot, get you a cut.
Something, yeah.
Yeah.
He says he doesn't want to sound like he's being negative. He's being honest. He don't know about this channel. We keep it honest. We want to make it transparent for you guys. It's just like, it's not all about the I mean, we do have fun, But in case you want to visit, I mean, you form your own opinion. Let's just say that. If you want to come here just to go to Bath and Body Works, then just come if you're in the area. All right, we're in Dillard's looking at Kurt Geiger. One thing I do like about his brand is he gives back. So a portion of his bags, whichever you buy, always goes back to the less fortunate in London. So one reason why I do support his brand. So I like this black one, but it's like either too big or too small. Can we get this like in between of these two? Yeah, Dillard's is pretty diverse. Although this selection is not really, I'm not feeling it. You like this one?
Mm-mm.
What y'all think, Royals? I think I'm leaning towards this one because I wanted a yellow Coach, and just looking at Coach right now, I don't see one. I'm going to go over there in a second.
And this is also for the fellas who watching. This is how women lie to you, right? They say they come in to do one thing, and then they really have other things on the agenda. I'm gonna keep it real for y'all.
Whatever. Not feeling the Coach either. I'm gonna have to go to, I mean, I know you said you've been, but I think I'm gonna have to go to the outlets for Coach because I'm just.
Yeah, this is Coach Rejects.
I have not found my Coach bag that I wanted yet. I don't like them. Thanks, Mom. Merry Christmas to me. Now we're in his section. He does like Armani. Although these Armani jeans are good. Nice. Yeah, we're not doing the monogram stuff. That's a no.
Mm-mm.
I don't even like this. Like, that's just...
Too big.
It's too big.
Much.
It's just like, can we get something a little more subtle?
Yeah, I think I'm good on all of this.
Yeah. Nope. We're fast shoppers. At least I am. I never really shopped with him before. We've always done like window stuff, but yeah. We ain't spent a whole bunch of time and stuff. So now, let's go look at downstairs. Just in case you didn't know, Dillard's carries Stanley Cups. No, they don't have a Hickory Farms. You remember that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I remember Hickory Farms back in the day. We used to like get stuff in the mail, or you can order from like a catalog. Now that's old school.
They probably only open during the holidays.
Yeah, that makes sense. And the season sale. You want to look at any food?
No.
Okay. I've never seen it in a mall.
Yeah, if they don't have a store like that, they'll have like a.
Oh, I've seen a kiosk. Yes,
yeah.
I've seen a kiosk, not a brick and mortar like that. He's just so not nice. Okay, you guys, so we're going into Southern Lion. I've heard of it, you know, because it's here in Charlotte, but I've never been in it. So, was this a Macy's?
Nope.
I don't know. What was it?
It was.
You tell her. You asking me. Like, you don't even know.
It's not Belk's. It's.
It can't be Belk, because Belk is
what's
over
the other
there.
one? What was the department stores that went out of business?
Oh, Google it. Now you got me wondering. Okay, you guys, it's like a little antique kind of place. Well, they do have Vera Bradley, if you're a Vera Bradley person. Oh, 50% off Christmas ornaments. You think they're going to have something for us in here? So far, no. I only see Santas. Not the Santa that I would get. Oh, wait a minute. Here's something with us. All right, these are ranging in the 40s, 30s.
I wonder if they got cookware here.
Looks like they would have something. This is neat, Royals. I like this stuff. Ooh, there's a black Santa. Oh, he's a big black Santa, and he's running 140. Okay, yeah, he said this used to be a Sears, and I was wondering if it went out of business, but come to think about it, I don't see any Sears anywhere. However, y'all let me know, my hometown, we had a Sears. Ma, you gotta let me know if the Sears is still in place, because I forget. This is, I guess, what you were talking about, where each place has a designed space, and you can rent out the space and sell your stuff. Okay, so you see, you guys, if you want to have your stuff here, you can sell it and just get a portion of the proceeds, or they get a portion of the proceeds. Oh, look at the pink payphone. Oh, these are like little jams. Ooh, this is bacon and apple. Ooh. Knowing you, my Chef John, he will find some way to fix it and make it nice. You ever use black truffle oil?
No. I've used truffle oil, but not black truffle
I
oil.
wonder what the difference is.
You better be real careful with that.
Yeah. Which, by the way, you guys, he has his own channel. I'm going to put it here in the description box. So if you're into food and what else food?
Business.
Oh, and entrepreneurship, you will like his channel. So I'll put it here. Also, I'm going to be uploading a trip that we went on that will show him in the light, and you'll get more of him in that sense.
$30 for this cup.
Let me get this on camera. Before he said the $30 on camera, this is where he went to school, you guys. This is his first one.
Yeah.
Elon is here in North Carolina.
Very nice school.
So he says.
Send your kids.
So he says. It's not my kind of school, but you know.
She ain't never even been.
So if you're into antiques, little knickknacks, Southern Line will be for you. It's not really for us, though. We made it, you guys, but I got to put y'all up because I'm about to really, really shop now. So I'll catch y'all when I'm done. Mission accomplished. 15 wallflowers and 1 body care. I had 2 gift cards, so I only had to pay $12. The total was like 50 something, 55 or something, so I only paid $12 out of pocket. Can't beat that. Mission accomplished for visiting Carolina Place Mall.
Tell the truth.
It'll probably be another few years before I come back. However, it wasn't a bad experience. I did get 2 things out of it. What were you gonna say?
I said, tell the truth.
I mean,
Yeah, it's gonna be a few years before you come back.
yes, that's the truth. There'll be a few years before I come back here. But it was not bad. It still I got stuff.